Well, good morning. It is Friday, the 5th of April, and the markets are mostly down right now. There are a few exceptions to that. We've got the grain markets all down, cotton market up some, energy down, dollar down, precious metals down. Stock market is pretty close to unchanged. Global stock markets are very mixed right now. We did have a statement made by Trump yesterday late afternoon concerning the trade talk, the negotiations with China on the trade agreement. He basically said that we've made a lot of progress. We're on the turn was, I think, his analogy, but he said it could be another 4 weeks of working before we're at a point where we can set a date for a signing agreement, and at that point could be another 2 weeks before an actual signing date. The question is, are these markets going to be able to hold up at these levels? Or are they going to be a little disappointed, at least in the short term? And we're seeing that disappointment in some of these markets. So one exception is cotton, up 19 at 77.51, a high of 77.70, a low of 77.05 for May cotton. But as we look across the board, it's a different story. Soybeans down 5.5 at 9.01 in May beans. The high is 9.04 3/4, low 8.99.5. Corn down 2 at 3.63 1/4. That's the low is 3.62 3/4. The high 3.64 3/4. Wheat down 5 3/4 at 4.65 with the high of 4.69.5, a low of 4.64 1/4. Crude oil down 10 cents a barrel at $62 for a barrel in May crude. Dollar down 4, gold down 2, silver down 1, and the latest we've got on the Dow Jones Futures Index, which already is trading, is very close to unchanged on the day. So I don't know. It seems this market might be, after cotton has reached a 3.5-month high, and over the last week and a half, it keeps pushing up against that high, which is good. The question is the market going to be a little disappointed? We're seeing it in other markets. We're not seeing it at cotton right now. I fear that cotton might go through a period of profit taking, and we could see this market drift back lower over the coming days. We'll keep an eye on it. That is it. Let's look and see. I think we do have, in about 15 minutes, we do have a number coming out here. Unemployment, very important number coming out at 7:30 Central Time. Consumer credit this afternoon at 2 o'clock. That's it. Have a good day. We'll talk to you later.